Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel Ricky Rana Fitness, and today let's discuss why leg day should never be missed. Hello all and welcome back. Are you the one who never misses their back, biceps or chest workout, but when it comes to legs you often miss it? Or are you the one who doesn't know the importance of legs workout? Then for you, this is the video in which I'm going to discuss top 5 benefits of a leg workout out of its endless benefits. The first advantage of a leg workout is that it will allow you to build more muscles. And this is the topmost benefit of a leg workout. You might already know that there's a hormone called testosterone which is naturally produced in your body, and the same testosterone helps you in your muscle growth and strength. And when you do movements such as deadlifts or squats, the level of testosterone increases naturally, and in turn it helps you to build more mass and look more muscular. Many scientific theories have also pointed out to this fact that whenever you do a leg workout, your testosterone level increases and it directly helps you in your muscle growth. The second benefit of a leg workout is that it will allow you to burn more calories. Now, leg is the biggest muscle, and that simply means that you need to invest a lot more energy while you are doing leg workout. As a result, you will burn more calories. And in this way, it's kind of a win-win situation if you are going for a muscle mass or you are cutting yourself down. In both the cases, doing leg workout will really help you to burn more and more calories. Third important point is that you won't have chicken legs. How many people have you seen in the gym or outside who have a great muscular physique, but when it comes to their legs, they are really very skinny? From up, they look like monsters, hulks or giants, but when it comes to their legs, they look like needles. And trust me on that, their entire persona really falls down when it comes to their legs and when they are not properly built. So from top to bottom, if a person needs to build his or her persona, leg workout should never be missed. Another important point is that your legs won't get tired easily. Gone will be those days when your legs started aching after you have just walked for a few miles. Having a good leg workout will supply enough oxygen, blood supply and strength to your muscles that they don't get fatigued easily. The more strength you'll have in your legs, the less you will get tired. The fifth important point is that it will help you to reduce the risk of injury. A good lower body workout could be the game changer between getting injured or staying in the game. When you do leg workouts such as squats, deadlifts or lunges, these exercises promote stability, and when you try to pick heavy dumbbells or barbells, this stability comes in and helps you to avoid any major injuries. So doing a leg workout is really very important and you should never miss on that. Well, those were the 5 important benefits which I feel are the topmost benefits of a leg workout. And if you guys have any other important or advantageous benefit which you think I missed, you can write into the comment section so that I'm also aware of the same thing. So this was my video and I hope you liked it. So please do the drill, like, share and subscribe